As a society, are we programmed? We are often fed the illusion of a perfect life. Earn more, buy more, be successful, be healthier. Has this white noise of manufactured pressure disconnected us? Trying one health protocol after the next, forever looking for the solution? Change is not always easy, even when it leads to better health. Often we wait for a crisis to be the catalyst to change. What if we could cut through the noise and implement simple rituals that are the catalyst to building health and vitality at every stage of life? Imagine a space that encourages curiosity and change, that creates the space for people to find themselves and curate their own health expression. A space that can inform, educate, and bring consciousness to the choices that promote longevity, generating an upward spiral of physical, mental, and spiritual good health, empowering us as we grow through a life fully lived every single moment. Join us in creating a healthier world. Welcome home.